Namaka pop-up space here in Broadstairs, and for the first time, you're not going to believe this, I'm having an exhibition here in Broadstairs, which I consider to be my hometown, even though, as we all know, I'm a Brummie. Now then, my studio is only 2 minutes away, so that begs the question, why bother? Well, I'm thinking that when you see this procession of my flying birds, that you'll see why I wanted to be here. We've also got a competition for the children, Name the Marini. That's going to be fun. And boy, I love seeing the birds in a long line. It's like a procession or pattern book. Really nice. Okay, well, private views in 2 hours, so I guess I'd better spruce myself up a bit, look a bit more decent. But anyway, there you have it. See you later.